In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a website for affiliate marketing using Google Sites. This tutorial is good for beginners who don't have their websites to avoid getting kicked out by some of the social media networks. So for instance, if I want to promote an affiliate product on Quora, I can't just promote it directly here. I need a website or a landing page. So to begin, you need to log into your Gmail account. So as you can tell, I have mine up here already. Open a new Google window and type site.google.com and it's gonna bring you right here. Then you click on Google Sites and boom, it's gonna bring you here. All right, so that's how you get to this. I've created some landing pages using this page. To begin, click on the plus sign that says blank site. Click on it. You can use any affiliate product of your choice. For instance, if I want to promote this product, I'll just click on promote and copy the link. All right, but I don't want to do that because I want to use another product. So I'll close it just to show you how it works. But in this tutorial, I'll promote a product from Impact Affiliate. So I'll promote InVideo AI. So after grabbing the link, go to incognito and just drop it and enter. All right, you need to make sure you know the page that your prospects are going to land on. All right, so this is exactly what I'm looking for. These are the pricing plans. All right, so to begin, we're going to use some of the hard copies or the text on this page because we have to make sure when people come to or land on this page, they wouldn't be confused. All right, so to begin, let's go back here. First of all, we need to enter the site name. So let's see, this product is about InVideo. So I'll go back here and I'll type right here InVideo AI. All right, so then click inside the box. Next, we need to add the title. All right, so I'll go back here and see right here it says generate AI videos with just text. So I'll copy it here and I'll go back and I'll just double click and paste it. But now I'm going to switch it a bit. Generate AI videos using the best text to video generator. All right, and I'll change this to capital V and I'll drag the edge right here and just to stretch it a bit and stretch more. So the background, to change it, just come down here on image, click on it. You can click here to upload a video or an image. I don't want to do that, so I will cancel and I'll go back again, click on the image and I'll select. All right, so you can select one of these background images, something that will match what you're trying to do. You can go by URL, Google Images, and type the name. So for instance, I'll say AI and I'll enter. All right, so I'll go through this. I want something to do with video. I need to look through and see if I can find something. All right, so I have to make sure whatever I will select will not interfere with the message that I'll put on. All right, so you know what? I'll go with this one, so I'll select it and insert and bam. All right, so now I need to change this text to, let's say, white. So highlight and hover over the text color, which is the A, then click on white. All right, but in your case you can do whatever you want. All right, so let's move on. So I'll scroll down. So next you can add a text right here or a link, image, or drive, but the most important thing is to add content blocks. All right, that is better. And as well, you can change the themes if you want to change something. For instance, mine is like a dark blue or something like that. You can change it if you don't want it, but let's say I want this, or that will be the background thing, so I will leave it the way it is. So let's say, for instance, it depends on the themes. If I choose this theme and I select this, instead of the dark yellow, it's gonna be this color, right? That's the difference, but nothing big deal. So I'll go to insert and I'll select content blocks. All right, and then subtitle, let's go back here. Actually, image first, so I'll scroll down. I need an image, is somebody creating. All right, so I'll go here and you can upload photo, select image. I'll drag it and I'll drop it here. You can play with the size a little bit, it's up to you, something like this. You can play with it just to show you how it works. So the sub headline, what I can do is I'll go back and this is the sub headline. Instant turn your text input into publish worthy videos. I'll just highlight this, but in your case you have to rewrite everything. This is just for tutorial, and I'll highlight it in bold, and let's see if I can center this more, and center, click on alignment and center. All right, and I can change the color, highlight text color, and I can change it to this, and then I can add text. Copy this, copy, and go to ChatGPT, and I'll say rewrite this point in a bullet form and paste it. So it's gonna rewrite it. All right, so I'll copy this. I'll copy everything, copy and go back. All right, then I'll click here and Control V to paste. All right, so something like this. You know what? I'll change this to this color to black, and the font size, so click inside, highlight everything and click here, and 12. So 12 is the way it's supposed to be. So next I need to add a button, so add a button, and let's go back here, say video, so generate video. Now wherever you are driving people to, you want to create a similar page but not exact. The link, and then I'll drop the affiliate link right here, insert, so it has inserted. Now I'll click on it one more time, move it to the center right here, move it one more time, so this is the center. Click on it and drag it just so you can see. I want to change the color of the button. I'll click on the box and go to themes, click on the color container, and let's see, I'll click on this one. All right, so something like this, like I showed you earlier on, that when you go to theme and you select one of the colors, it's gonna change the look of things. When I go up, it doesn't change the background, but in case you have a bar or a line down here, it's gonna change that color as well. Since this is an affiliate marketing product, we want to send people to the sales page quickly. Go back, and so go to insert. Let's see if I can find a divider. I want to add a divider. Click under the divider and I'll add text, affiliate disclosure, and I'll say this page contains an affiliate link and is small commission if you purchase anything using link. Thank you. All right, so you have to disclose this. It's for your own good. All right, so let's center this. Click more and click right here, center, and I'll push the font size to 12, then click outside. This is something you need to disclose anytime you highlight this and bold it. All right, and last but not least, click down here and insert again. Now we're gonna go to the page. Since you don't have your own website, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, privacy policy, terms and conditions, highlight everything, copy, go back and paste it here. Highlight again, click on the more menu here and click on alignment and center. All right, and then I will click here, push it. I don't know if you can see it. Highlight everything and change the font size to 12. All right, this is something you don't joke with. If you don't have this and you try or promoting this page on Facebook, Quora, or any site, especially Quora and Facebook, they will deny your promotion. And by default, this has a link already. It's because you don't have your own website. So this is what you have to do. Highlight and change the color to black, and still it doesn't affect the link. All right, and this name right here, Blogsdom. In your case, you can type your brand name. Scroll down. Now I'm gonna change this one too, this image. I want something different, so let's see if I can use one of my YouTube links. So let me click here and see if this will work this time around. All right, so I'll click here. This is the video I want to promote, so I'll click here, get shareable link, go back, paste it here. Let's see if it's gonna work. It's gonna work. I'll click outside, because when you hover and you click, it has the YouTube link. So if people want to watch it, they can click here to watch it, which is good. And at the same time, generate video now. All right, but in your case, let's say you are promoting this product, you can download this image. right click and copy the image or download it, or even copy the link address and just upload it here for the product that you are promoting. But in my case, this is what I'm doing because I want people to watch the video to know how to use it before anything else. And I'm using this because of this color here just to look similar. So next, publish it. So I'll click on publish, and we need to add a website address or a web address. So what we'll type here will display at the end of this link. I'll click inside and I'll type InVideo is taken, so I'll say -AI. That one too is taken. All right, so let's do InVideo 8. That one too is taken. So I need to take my time and figure out a good name. All right, so AI-video is available, so I'll go with that one. And as you can tell right here, for custom domain name, make it easy for people to visit your site with custom domain name. They want you to click here and buy a domain name, but I don't want to. All right, so if you don't want Google search engine to display your site, you can check this, but I don't want to because I'll be happy if Google can promote this page for me, which is free. Next, I'll click publish. It's published. So to share the page, click on the link sign, and this is it. Then copy, and we can go right here, drop it, and enter. Bam. So this is how it's gonna display in public. All right, and this is the link. Affiliate disclosure. This page contains an affiliate link. I will earn a small commission if you purchase anything using this link button. I've been doing this for years and it's no problem.